33,500 euros for that stone house located in the Mayenne. It's incredible. This is the first house I selected, 50,000 euros. And it was listed previously at 82,500 euros. It's incredible. This is a real bargain. This is a stone house located in the Haute-Vienne, Limousin, so not far from Limoges, National Park of Périgord-Limousin. Lots of lakes around, beautiful countryside. This house comprises 5 rooms, 3 beds, 1 bath, on a floor of 100 square meters and a plot size of 322 square meters. Look at that. The roof is brand new. I could easily see that facade revealed by removing all the joints, and making the stones visible. That would be absolutely something else. So again, we are at 50,000 euro for a house in this condition. That's crazy. Let's have a look inside. Oh, this is the side of the house. So we can see there's an outbuilding and it's quite large, and access to the back garden as well. So the front is nice, the side is nice, the back must be nice as well. Oh, this is the entrance. Clean, neat, brand new flooring, beautiful light coming through, nice volume. I assume this is the main area, the main space, living space, and it's quite large. I would say 40 square meters probably. And for 50,000 euro, you can live there, because look at that. You've got your functional little kitchen ready to move in. Oh, this is one of the outbuildings, so we can instantly figure out that the flooring above is brand new. So this means that the house has already been partially renovated. Probably we saw that the roof is brand new. There's some flooring done, the flooring upstairs, some flooring on the main rooms, and you can see a bread oven. I could transform that easily into a nice additional kitchen, or I don't know what, a lounge. One of the bedrooms, immaculate, and you've got a functional, brand new shower room. So at 50,000 euro, you're not getting a room that you need to transform or renovate. I mean, what you've got to do here is minor. It's mainly decoration, furnitures, bringing, some additional work to the remaining rooms that are not yet converted, but not much. You could live there. Oh, side terrace, beautiful walls. Oh, you could do a lot of stuff there. First, as it's enclosed, I would say that the privacy makes it ideal for some private space with barbecue, or I don't know. You could even have a spa or something like that here. And that's what I was saying. The above part upstairs has a lot of height with brand new roof, and the floor is brand new as well, which means not much work to do, insulation, electricity to bring, and you're good to go for a cinema room, a gaming room, or whatever you want to do there. Beautiful. But I did imagine a bit of home staging to give you an idea of what it could be with minor transformation. So by just cleaning and doing some paintings, you could transform the little kitchen into this, which is much more like Scandinavian look, and I think it works pretty well. This is the part with the bread oven, so either you leave it visible or you could hide it, but this is just a suggestion of transformation, possible adaptation, really easily to do. A bit of cleaning, I didn't furnish it, but this is what it could be in one of the bedrooms. The main living space with some cleaning and painting on it. I think it's much more neat like that. One of the bedrooms, another one. And why not transform that terrace into something which is more southeast looking, more Provençal look. I mean, it's possible. You would add flowers and a bit of pink. Another angle of the main living area. Another angle of the bedroom, the main bedroom. The next one is located in the Mayenne, in Normandy. It's not far from Alençon. It's a stunning medieval city. We are not far from Laval also, and we are like an hour 20 from the famous Mont Saint-Michel. Mont Saint-Michel being, the most popular touristic attraction of the whole area. So this house, don't get me wrong, has got 17 rooms, 7 beds, 6 baths, and a garden of more than 9,200 square meters for 242,000 euros. Let's have a look to it. So this is the facade, quite large. We can see it's been a converted barn. We've got those slate roofs. The entrance, immaculate, clean, double glazed. Main lounge and dining area with a corner with 3 windows overlooking your garden. Kitchen with a central islet. One of the bedrooms, and you can see it's in excellent conditions. Beautiful flooring, wood flooring, I love it. One of the shower rooms, another bedroom, nicely decorated. Another shower room, again, really comfortable and large. Oh, this is the back garden. So basically, and one of the terraces, we can see some bungalows at the bottom and some mature trees everywhere. So yeah, that's a house that is really, really interesting for that price, having 17 rooms and a super large garden in an area which is not so far from the Mont Saint-Michel is pretty interesting. Another lounge, so probably you have like 2 houses in that domain. Oh yeah, because there's a secondary little kitchen. So I assume there's like 2 separate houses. You could rent one or have your kids in one and or parents in one and you in the other. Why not? The attic, insulated. There's a shower there as well. Oh, and you've got a shed with an additional little house on the right side, or workshop, I'm not sure. So this is the workshop, obviously next to the shed. It's got some really solid beams, so I assume there's another level above it, similar to this one. That's really convenient. Having a workshop in the countryside, you're always wanting to extend, change, make some work, so that's really convenient to have your dedicated workshop. Another view of the garden, another one. Oh, there's even a wood stuff in the tree. I assume it's for the kids to play in summer. And again, a view from the front on a sunny day. Lovely. Lovely. Honestly, I can imagine the side from the other angle. So we can clearly see you've got 2 entrances and it's been brought together. It's probably an old farm that has been converted into a nice house. And that's really convenient to have like 2 separate entrances. You could rent one side of the house and live into the other side of the house. Great. So you've got one front terrace and a back terrace. Let's move to the cherry on top. It was listed at 50,000 euros and honestly it was already a good price. Again, we are in the Mayenne, so it's the Grand Ouest, it's not far from the Atlantic coast. 80 square meters on a plot size of 300 square meters, 5 rooms, 2 beds, stone house, and look at the exterior first. Now it's listed with a drop of price at 33,500 euros. That's absolutely incredible. It's not even the price of an average car. Your own house with double glazing for that price. Now let's see another angle. So this is the corner. It's a lovely little village. You can see clearly that the house is in perfect condition from the exterior. The stones are granite, I assume. The kitchen is absolutely nice and comfortable. Nothing to say, it's quite bright. Oh, I love this. Oh, I see. Don't get upset because if you look closer, you've got double glazing, the flooring is perfect, and all it needs is some painting on the ceiling, some wallpaper or paintings on the walls, and you're good to go. This is what it could look like. So with some minor transformation, this room could look like that. And I think that's absolutely nice, comfortable. I gave it a Scandinavian Nordic style. It works. You could go for whatever is your taste, but this works really well, I think. Don't be upset when you have to project yourself and imagine when you're looking at pictures like that. It's not much to do. One of the bedrooms, again, if you look closer, you've got double glazing and a beautiful original wood floor here. And look at that bathtub. It's fantastic, no? Again, it's just minor finishes to do. Oh la la, I don't like that. So again, you have to imagine that all you need is to really change the decoration to your taste, make it minimalistic or crazy, but it's ready to be transformed quite easily into something looking like that. And I think it works really well. Another angle, again, nice view on the streets. It's neat, it's clean, there's nothing to complain about it. Another angle, Honestly, the floor is beautiful. This is the attic. So the beams are in perfect condition, as we can see. Yeah, it could be an office, it could be a little additional lounge, or just a storage room if you want to. Representation of what could be done there, but I mean, it's just, you know, home staging. It's nothing real, but it gives you a perspective of transformation for that volume. 33,500 euro. What more can you ask for when buying a house in France? That's absolutely crazy. So if you want to have a look for yourself and discover the latest additions coming every day on the market, have a look to our website. The link is in the description section of that video. See you soon on our Leggett YouTube channel. Bye bye.